guys, it's me, Jay. Today I'm doing a slime collection. As you can see, I was playing with my slimes, but just let's get started with this video. First slime here is this big slime. It's sticky, so I can't really. Here, I'll show you like a little part of it and stretch it because I don't want everything to get on me. But yeah, I have more, but that I'm going to show you right now. Let me just get everything off of me. There it is. It's pokey. I don't like someone getting stuck on me because then I feel really mad. And yeah. And so that's really sticky. I need to add some more detergent to it, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix the other little pieces into the other slimes. This next slime is this one, and this one is homemade, and the other one was homemade too. I'm mixing some white slime and some blue slime. Okay. So it's very stretchy. Oh, bad example. Very stretchy. Okay. So yeah. That's a great slime. I love this slime. So it's clear. Can't really see myself that well. I don't know if you guys could see me, but I can't really see myself that well. Okay. Next slime is this pink slime. It's in this big container, even though it's small. But this one is, I just love it. And I do not have any names for none of these slimes. So please comment down below if you know what name I want to name. I mean, if you want a name that I want to name my slime. Okay, so here's this pink slime. I love this slime. It's it's a very nice texture. And it has some little holographic beads, not beads, but like things in it. But yeah. Okay. And it's also crunchy, pretty much crunchy. Okay. I love this. I already said that, but I love it. Okay, let me get all this stuff up. So, yeah. Next slime. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to save that one for last. This slime, I'm going to try to hurry up. This slime, and it's very old. There's nothing to it. It just has beads in it, and it's kind of stretchy. It's not really pokey bowl, but let me try to swirl it. I don't know if that's how you swirl, but it doesn't really feel like slime to me. It feels like, I don't know, something that I never touched before. Next one is this glitter slime with some beads in it. I made it out of Elmer's glitter glue. So, yeah. Let me try to swirl this one. Let's swirl it, swirl it, swirl it. Now let's mess it up. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hold my iPad with some clothes. So, yeah. Okay. So, oh wait, you guys can't see me. There. Next slime. Let me just put this one away. Oh, okay. Next slime is a Starbucks slime, which is this slime. It's called Cool Ooze. And let's get it out. Oh, and it's also jiggly, so I'm gonna let it jiggle right now. Just get out. There. It's very, like, it has rainbow colors in it, and it does not even mix together. It's not stretchy, and it's not sticky. Like, it doesn't stick to itself. Look. Like, that's the only thing that's bad about this slime. It doesn't stick to itself. See? And then just, I don't know. Comment down below how to fix this. It's made by Joru, so just to let you know. And when I first opened it, I mean, it was hard to open. And like, it cracked. I just slammed it on the floor, and then it cracked, and then it opened. So, yeah. This kit, oh, it's so hard to put in. I don't like putting this in. Come on. It makes some farting noise. Oh my gosh, this is falling off. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna go like this, and then I'm gonna shake it around. There, now it's all in. Okay, next slime is this bluish slime. It's exactly like this slime, as I showed you when I said like it doesn't feel like slime, and it was made a long time ago. So, and it also had beads in it, so that's what it just fell out. That's what fell. That's what just fell out or off. So yeah, I'm sorry my hand's getting in the way. This one's actually more stretchier than the other one. But yeah. Next slime is like this one. Not like this one, but the color of it. And it's bubbly. I love it. I just love this slime. It has like an odd texture because it has some little beads in it, and when you crunch it, it feels weird. But yeah. Let me try it. It's very, very pokeball. But that's that one. Wait, did I ever mention that I didn't have names for none of these slimes? I don't know. I don't think so. I did. I don't think I did, but yeah. But anyways, I don't have names for these slimes. Please comment down below any names for them. But yeah. Okay, next slime is this pink slime. It's bubbly. Oh no, it's not pink. It was my. Oh wait, this is not my pink slime. Because when I saw how big it was, I'm like, oh no. Because I was thinking of this slime. But wait, did I even show that? I think I did. But okay, we're gonna have to put the clothes backwards. So it's pokey, and if you're wondering what these little pot spots are, they're glitter that I put into this slime. There. Okay, so next slime is this slime. I love this slime. It's very stretchy, I guess you can say. Oh, it doesn't crunch. It's not crunchy. I mean, it does, like, it's thick. But, yeah. I want to do the big slime really bad. I'm just looking at it. Okay, but I want to say the best. I want to say the best for last. This next slime is, like, tiny. And it's in this big, humongous thing. Oh, now this is clear. Oh, I never heard it crunch. So, I love this stuff. But even though it's tiny, I love it. It's the texture feels really great. Yeah. Next slime we have is this googly eye one. You can hear it shake. Okay, it's green. So I love this one. I like say that I love every slime because it's just like, oh, I don't know how to say it. Okay, so here it's clear. It's very clear. Okay, now we're gonna poke it. There's that slime. Ooh, it's stretchy. I never showed you how it stretches. It's not even sticky at all. It does not get stuck to your fingers. So yeah. And then we have this one. It's in all those slimes in here. The first slime is this slime. It's tiny, kind of tiny, but it's stretchy. And also, it's like, has kind of a little bit of glitter, but you guys can't really see that. So it's very, 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 okay, it's very, okay, now I'm going to show you how it pokes. I'm going to show you how, not poke, how it stretches. Sorry guys, I just had to put down whatever it's called. So it stretches. I was going to just say it stretches really far. I mean, stretches a lot, but okay. It stretches a little bit. This next one is store-bought. Store-bought. It's not very stretchy. If you stretch it slow, then it's kind of stretchy. It doesn't even stick to each other, but I mean, I like it. It's not really pokey either. It's just the texture that's fun with it. And then the next one is like its cousin, except it's just a different color. Next one is a store-bought slime too. Yeah, but this one's really stretchy and it doesn't even stick. So it's called Amazing Putty. It's very hard to poke, and here's its buddy. Oh, and this one color changes, and this one glows in the dark. So yeah. Next one is this fluffy slime. This was my first fluffy slime ever that I made, but it wasn't on camera. Oh, hard. Not very pokeable. I made it tiny because I didn't know if it would work or like it would be like an epic fail. But yeah, next slime is this slime. Oh, and none of these I made on camera because I didn't make videos. I'm sorry. But yeah. Next is that slime. Okay, let's go over here. It's very pokeable. Next slime is this slime. It's kind of stretchy, but it has little beads in it. There's nothing much to this slime. Not much. It's kind of pokey, but it's not very stretchy and all. But okay, I guess it is stretchy. So that's all in that one. But guys, I'm gonna close this, and then there's a slime like right here, but it's really sticky and I can't show you guys because I don't want my fingers to get stuck. Okay, next slime, the last slime is awesome. It's very big. Ugh. This humongous slime. Okay, it's in this big container. Okay, let me open it and let me show you. Okay, so we're gonna get it all out. Ugh, there. I'm gonna show you guys right now. It's very big. Like, it's big. I can't even, like, ugh. It's really big. I can't. Okay, guys, I need to move the camera. So, wait, or what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? Oh, yes, I'm gonna move the camera right over here. No, wait. I'm sorry, guys. Stay right there for like a minute or 1 second, which is okay. Oh man. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Let me move all of this. Okay. Now I could show you guys. Jeez. It's very big slime. It's a very big slime. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys it. Okay. Here it is. Wait, let me put this on. Ugh. Hi. Just keep on going up. Ugh. Okay. Now I'm gonna just sit on my knees and feel more better like this. Okay, now I can show you the whole thing. It's very pokey. I can't really like show you, but I almost touched your camera. Okay, I'm gonna try to stretch it. Okay, I can't stretch it. I want to stretch it. Man. Okay, there. Now, there it is. There is a big star. Oh, and also, this is very, very, it's very crunchy, yes. It's a very crunchy slime. It's stretchy. Okay, let me just, like, take one piece out. And now let me show you. It's stretchy. Not that much. I probably, overdid it with the activator. Overactivated it. Here, let me show you, like, a bit. But yeah, this is the big star. Okay, let me try to show you the whole thing. Okay, there. You got a big picture of it. So that's this slime. Please like this video and subscribe, okay? So I'll see you guys next time. Okay, so bye guys.